Hey, hi, hello. I'm Ethan,
I'm Joey,
and we're the host of this year's new YouTube show.
which is not the Pawse.
More or less. Well, it's basically.
It's not the Pawse.
It's basically.
We decided before we started this web show that it won't be the Pawse.
Everything on it's exactly the Pawse.
On your notes it says that we are not the Pawse. Anyways, we are not the Pawse, but welcome anyways.
Yeah, we're the Pawse. Anyway, this year something that will differentiate us from the Pawse is we're going for a more musical style, which means we can sing, we can dance, and we're going to do it on camera for your enjoyment.
We're going to try to do some music videos,
Maybe.
right?
Maybe. Who knows?
Stay tuned.
I don't know. Hey, how do you like school? You know, it's fully in person, no more Zoom online.
Yeah, I've been loving it so far,
Oh.
but I want to know how other students are feeling.
Me
so, if it's not a problem, could you go and interview people?
Yep.
All right, thank you. I'll just sit here by myself, alone. Okay, bye, Ethan. He'll be right back.
What's your name?
Zach.
Zach, how are you liking being back in school?
It's pretty good. I like to flex on people with my new outfits, you know. Show everyone my new outfits.
Fair enough, fair enough. How are you liking our new YouTube show?
I think it's the greatest YouTube show to ever be invented.
Thank you, thank you. What's your name?
Josh. I'm Jock.
How are you liking being back in school?
It's amazing. I like it very much.
How do you like the school's new YouTube show?
It's awesome. The Pawse?
No. What's your name?
Mariam,
How are you liking being back in school?
you know, it's really good and I'm really happy, you know, but I do miss online school. I do miss it.
For sure, for sure. How do you like the school's new YouTube show?
The Pawse?
No.
What new YouTube show? What new YouTube show?
Or the new YouTube show. Haven't you been watching it?
I'm obsessed with it.
Thank you.
So good.
Thank you.
I love it.
Thank you.
So good.
Thank you.
Any more questions?
No. What's your name?
Georgia?
Georgia?
Yeah.
Cool. How do you like school so far?
Well, I mean, it's school, so it's not awesome, but I'm back with my friends, so it's okay.
Cool. How do you like the school's new YouTube show?
Honestly, haven't seen it.
That hurts my feelings.
I'm really sorry.
No, you're not.
I'll get on that right away.
Sure. Okay. What's your name?
I am Mr. Yoder.
What is your position here?
I teach math. Just kidding. I teach choir.
Cool, cool. How are you liking school so far?
I love it. Bonita is the greatest school on earth because of all you people here, and it's super exciting meeting you all. And if you want to come sing with us in choir. We want you all there. But I love it here at Bonita High School.
Very cool. How are you liking the new YouTube show?
The new YouTube show. I haven't seen it yet, but I'm sure I will like it a lot when I see it.
Well, you better get on that.
All right. Sounds great.
All right. Thank you.
All right, thank you to the students of Bonita High School. Hey, what do we have next?
Nothing.
We're out of stuff.
Yeah, I didn't grab anything else.
All right, we'll see you later. Thanks for watching.
Bye.